now what we're going to see is the actual material coming right off. It never ceases to amaze me how easily that comes off. Compared to, say, sanding, it's a very quick and easy process. Again, no abrasion. It goes right down to some clear metal. I would dare say, and I know for a fact, that's original paint coming off the hardtop side and has never been painted before, so there's the hardtop side, nice and clean. Look at that, it's almost done.